there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community.
In the colorful depths of Coral Reef City, a brave little fish named Red lived with his vibrant community. Red was not your average fish. He had a spirit as fiery as his scales, always eager to explore beyond his comfort zone. His curiosity and courage often got him in trouble, but he had an unwavering determination to stand up against anything threatening his home. One sunny afternoon, whispers spread through the reef that the notorious shark gang was prowling the area. Led by Big Fin, their leader, they were feared for their relentless bullying and appetite for chaos. They enjoyed intimidating the smaller creatures, turning the once peaceful haven into a place of unease. Red knew that something had to be done. He gathered his friends, Blue the clever Tang, Goldie the quick-witted seahorse, and Bubbles the playful dolphin. Together, they devised a plan to drive the shark gang away and restore peace to Coral Reef City. "We need to be smart about this," Bubbles said. "Big Fin and his gang are not easily intimidated." Goldie flicked her tail with excitement. "Let's create a diversion to lure them away from the reef, then we can trap them in the old shipwreck until they promise to leave us alone." Red nodded, his resolve firm. "I'll be the bait," he volunteered bravely. The friends swam to the outskirts of the reef, where Red began his daring act. He fluttered around conspicuously, making it clear he was alone and vulnerable. Big Fin noticed him immediately and signaled for his gang to follow. Well, if it isn't Red," sneered Big Fin. "What are you doing out here all alone?" "Just taking a swim," Red replied nonchalantly, but inside he was bracing himself for what was to come. The sharks surrounded him, but Red swam faster than ever, leading them towards the abandoned shipwreck. Blue and Goldie were ready, they waited hidden behind an old anchor. As Red swam past, they unlatched a net made of strong seaweed, capturing the unsuspecting sharks as they charged forward. The gang struggled and snarled, unable to escape. Bubbles swam up and addressed Big Fin firmly. "You need to leave Coral Reef City and never return, or else you'll be trapped here forever." Defeated, Big Fin nodded solemnly. "All right then, you win. We will leave." And so, the sharks swam away, promising to find a new territory where they could rule without causing trouble. With a triumphant flick of his tail, Red rejoined his friends. Cheers echoed through the reef as word spread of their victory. Red and his friends had restored peace, and Coral Reef City was safe once more. Red felt proud, realizing that courage and friendship could conquer even the most fearsome opponents. From that day on, the reef thrived under Red's watchful eye, free from the shadows of the shark gang. His tale became legend, inspiring young fish with dreams of bravery and adventure.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.